In this video, we will learn about the registration settings where you can set a page to register and determine how you want to verify and validate a new user. At first, go to User Meta Settings, then Registration menu. To set up a registration page, you need to create a registration form and a page. At first, I am going to create a registration form. Then go to Page option from the menu. I am creating a new page, naming it as Registration. One thing that I need to mention is that page should contain a shortcode like User Meta Registration Form equals your created form name. After that, go back to the registration section from Settings. Now, you can set your registration page in the User Registration Page section. In the User Activation section, there are 4 options. First option is User Auto Activation. If you select the option, user will be activated automatically after registration. Second option is Need Email Verification. If you select the option, a verification link will be sent to user email and the user must verify the link to activate their account. I am creating a new user registration. After registration, check email notifications. In email, you will find an email verification link. Click the link and activate your account. Next option is Need Admin Approval. If you select the option, you need to wait for admin approval after registration. And the last option is Need both email verification and admin approval. Here, a verification link will be sent to user email. User must verify the link to activate their account and an admin needs to approve the account. Make sure to click Save Changes every time you change any options. This way, you can configure your registration settings. Thank you for watching.